Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool product here that's by the brand called Let's Fit. Literally, let's get fit together. That's what they're trying to aim for. But pretty much what it is a smart fitness tracker that you guys can use to track all your health goals, such as your heart rate, your steps you take every day, and some other stuff that is all. But enough talking, let's actually open up and show you guys what comes in the package. So right off the bat, when you open the package, this is what you get. If you guys can see, it's the actual product itself. And then inside they give you a thank you card or a feedback card to ask you for feedback if you have any feedback. And then they provide you a user guide and instruction of how to set up and how to use it. And then right here itself, we have the actual watch. So that's what the design looks like. It has the time, the date, and everything on there. The battery percentage on top. If you click the bottom part, you can go to your steps. You can check your heart rate. You can check how much you walk or run. And then you can check how much you're biking. And then go back to the main menu. And that's pretty much all you can do on the actual watch itself. But if you download the app that's called VeryFit Pro, you can actually see a lot more, which I'll show you guys right now. I already have it downloaded, so this is what the app actually looks like. If you guys can see, you can keep track of all your calories, your distance, so pretty much all the activities, your sleep, how much you're sleeping, your heart rate, and all that good stuff is all on this little app right here that you can check. And it's very easy to use. You can check your details of your daily or weekly activities and performance, how it's been and how you've been doing. You click on device, you can check all the other things that you can set on here. So one cool functionality on here is that if you click on the camera right here, so if you guys can see, once I shake the actual wristband or the fitness tracker, it's like a picture of you or like selfies. So that's a really cool functionality about this product itself. If you guys look on top right here, it shows you the battery percentage and all the other good stuff that you will need to know about the product. And if you want to register for an account, you can do that as well to keep track of everything. But that's pretty much everything on here. So pretty much everything about the actual product itself is very nice, well made. And the thing about this one compared to my old video, if you guys remember, I did a video about another similar fitness tracker. This one is actually have a little hook or a little knob right here that you can hook onto the hose through this part to actually hold it in. But if you look at my old one, so this is the one that I did previously, you guys remember. This one is actually a push-in, so it's just a push-in and then it closes. For convenience, you had to give them an old fitness tracker to actually be better and a more convenient way. But when it comes to actually quality, you guys can definitely feel the quality is on this product right here. And the cool thing about this product versus this product right here is the fact that this one you actually have to use a wire to actually charge it, which is right here. And it's magnetic in the back, so you just clip it on like this. So you clip it on like that and it charges. Whereas this one is completely different. This one you have to unplug this compartment right here and it comes off. And then if you guys see in the back right here, you use this part right here with a USB to plug it into your computer or a charging device or adapter to actually charge it up. So from around 50% to 100, it took me less than an hour to actually charge it, and it's actually really fast charge. But now to answer the question of how much this product costs and whether or not it's worth it. So this product costs around $29 or $30, so that's a pretty reasonable price because if you guys look for if you guys are looking for something that's similar to like a Fitbit or something, then this is probably the closest thing that you can get that is for a $30 price range, because a lot of different products that are like this is like around $30. And it really depends on what you're looking for. So if you guys are looking for more conveniency, I have to say that this one is actually really convenient because of the fact that you use a USB to charge it, so you can actually bring this on the go and recharge it. Let's say like if you are going traveling or you're camping and you want to actually charge it up, you don't actually have to bring a wire like this everywhere to actually charge it up. All you need to do is just open it up and then clip it in and then charge it onto a product like your portable charger or like a computer or whatever the case may be, and you can just start charging it. Pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it, I have to say yes, because the price range is reasonable, because they actually really thought about everything to make it more convenient and much easier for you to use the product. So that's very nice. To actually prove that it's actually worth it, we're gonna have to do a waterproof test. So first thing first, let's actually go do the waterproof test and see whether or not it works. Alright, so here we have the Let's Fit fitness tracker. You guys can see that it actually works and it's really clear, cool design, and it's waterproof, sweat resistant. So let's give it a try right now and see whether or not that is the case. So does it work underneath water? Nope, it does not work underneath water. Does it work when we bring it back up? Yep. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw that it actually still works even after splashing in water and putting this device straight on into the water, you guys can see that it actually still works. So that is pretty damn amazing. So I think we just found out the answer that it is worth it. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing testing of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's C Squad fan shout out of the day, we have